clear waters and fine dark. Well, we're not sure, but here in St Bumby on the Tate, we've got a big hill and the bus comes twice daily. Visit picturesque St Bumby this summer and experience a holiday that's simple.
Wicked. We made it to the first outbreak. You're doing great, mate. But this is where it starts getting a bit trickier. This next sequence is what we call a multicam sequence, because you're going to be cutting between multiple cameras to keep things interesting. A lot of it's down to personal taste, but here's 3 good rules of thumb. 1. Try and keep the shot on whoever is doing the talking. 2. Don't stay on the shot for too long. 10 seconds at the most. But if you're on the person who's talking, try and throw the odd reaction shot or pull out the wide shot for a bit just to keep it interesting. 3. Don't stay on reaction shots for too long. A couple of seconds is usually enough. Then the audience want to see who's doing the talking, yeah? Stick to these rules and you'll be fine. It's not as complicated as it sounds. You've seen programs on television, haven't you? Make them look like those. Might as well get screen 1 selected now. No need to wait for the broadcast to start. Try and stay ahead, mate.
Right in the studio.
Thank you so much.
10 seconds, everybody. Going 5, 4, 3.
Welcome back to the National Nightly News. But first off,
Ready to go to Megan on screen 4.
is here the star of both stage and screen. Megan,
Thank you, Jeremy. Megan Wolf, culture correspondent. And today I have a guest who starred in everything from Shakespeare to
Right,
the
go to
shop
Blunderclatch on screen 3 when she says his name.
by none other than Lawrence.
I do hope you believe me when I tell you that being here today is among the greatest.
Switch to 2. Move wide now.
I would say having you here with us is among ours.
Screen 2 now. Screen 2. Right, now just try and stay on whoever's talking.
The medicated? Yes.
Wow, what was that like?
Well, as I said to Peter the Rat, that's
Look at Megan's reaction. Lovely. Now back to Thunder Twat.
on several movies, all terribly successful. I said to Peter, what a wild ride this has been.
That is fantastic. And am I right in saying that the character you play in this movie is quite an academic one?
Absolutely right. A scientist.
Was that a challenge at all?
What exactly are you implying? But seriously, yeah. For my last starring role, when I played Sergeant Brock Rockman in Bullet Man. You'll remember that was the true story of one soldier's fight for a love that surpasses all. A love, of course, for freedom. Let's see who's counting.
It's a role that saw you scoop 2 Best Actor awards, if I remember correctly.
It's so sweet of you to mention it. But I really am not in it for the awards. Although those
With all the others, I'm sure. So, if you're not doing it for awards, what is it?
Get back to who's talking.
And often, that's how it feels, doesn't it? Bleeding,
Get on the speaker, mate.
suffering for this audience. I suppose in the end, I do it for different. I inspire. I do it for the little people. But most of all, I think I do it for the positive change that I can bring.
Today, of course, we're in for some real change, it looks like, in the coming few months. What do you make of this historic election result?
Oh, well. Well, now you're asking. Historic election result. Indeed, historic is the word. Well, it's difficult, isn't it? Very difficult. But, when it comes to politics, one should always strive to not fuck things up.
Yes, well,
Don't worry, you won't do it.
Lawrence, I
He did it again. Okay, don't panic. I'll explain how to deal with it. movie clip. Get a countdown on the screen, but I'll just let Megan give you in.
Is faced with a decision that could affect humanity's very survival.
Exciting stuff. Exciting stuff.
Interference, mate.
I don't understand it.
Oh, looks like an underclad she's in the studio. I'd love to hear what he's saying, but don't switch to it now. You can go to the archive when the podcast's done. We keep everything.
We must.
Dr. West. Was flying again.
Baby, all for you.
Dr. Hemlock.
I'm gonna change the world, you know? When I listen to you.
Dr. Hemlock.
You told me, but I didn't listen.
Doctor.
I'm drowning, Lance, you said. Sterility. This is the game.
Stop.
Yes, we could stop it all.
At the end of the clip, you'll want to play another ad. Remember to use the clock at the deal with bleeping out swear words. As you've probably noticed, the broadcast screen, here, is about 2 seconds behind the master screen, here. When someone says a naughty word, the bleep button lights up, like this. 2 seconds later, you'll hear that swear word going out on the broadcast, and you need to hold down the bleep button, or the spacebar on your keyboard, for as long as the swear word lasts. Bit of practice getting used to hearing two things at once. Just stay calm and you'll get it. And if you can't tell when to bleep, just above the button, you'll literally be able to see the sound scrolling by. All you gotta do is hold it down while the red bit is over the red line. Simple. Of course, if you do it by eye, you'll have... That's why real professionals do it by ear. Most people like to have the volume of the broadcast screen a little bit below the master screen. Let's set it now. As you turn it up, you'll hear the advert getting louder. Good. You're set to start censoring. Like I say, it takes a little practice, but I'll try and help you through it, and soon we'll have you bleeping like a pro. Remember, button lights up, count 1, 2, and hold it down.
Directly to you. Alan James is right.
Remember to select screen 1 now that you've got the feed. Don't wait for the broadcast to go live. That's too late. You can use the number buttons on your keyboard. 1, 2,
Running the country. Seriously, it's had worse.
5, 4, 3.
Welcome. Peter Clement and Julia Salisbury are about to make their acceptance address.
cut to the outside podcast.
Oh, fire back. Okay, fire back. Thank you for coming, and, well, where do I...
Southern bastard trick they had against us, but you, the people, you saw right through their shite.
I'm sorry about the language there.
Sorry. Coarser than the ground is funny.
Memorably put.
Perfect.
Let's be honest, who can blame Peter for celebrating? Throughout the That is what you have when things are going well. When the country is suffering, you don't need a party. You need a team. A team that can change things. But today is day one of a new future. A better, fairer future. So perhaps we should
The party's over. They shouldn't be celebrated.
They should be putting their shitting pants on and opening their dusty checkbooks.
Again, colourfully put, but not inaccurate. Before we came out here to address the nation, passed the Active Wealth Act. Working with the tax office, we have produced a definitive list of every person in the country with wealth into millions.
You know this. Probably you'd rather you don't. Because the likes of you and me are not welcome in their gated communities.
Tomorrow, no more hiding wealth offshore, no more trust funds or creative accounting.
So, you bastard public school snobs have got nowhere to hide. And earlier today, we revoked your passport. You and Barrett, you leave like you threatened before.
Advance are going to turn this country from a nation of warring individuals into a team. To properly fund health and education, to raise the living standard of us.
We have to raise billions, but you'll see when we've reclaimed what's ours, that's absolute ferret shite. So, tosh.
To serve in their private the people whose children you raised.
So they've got time to get even fucking richer.
Advance for your sports cars and your mansions and your vineyard.
It ends today.
We will put the wealth of this country back where it should have always been, in the hands of the people who created it.
It ends today.
Yes, it ends today. We'll start making fair again, just like we promised we would.
And until then, ladies and gents, I suggest we all get pissed.
I can't argue with that. Thank you for your time.
Interesting acceptance speech there from Advance. And our apologies for the fruity language. Hopefully we got that bleeped out for you in time. If not, someone's going to be in trouble. So, as the that's from us this evening at the National Nightly News, we'll be back tomorrow with full coverage of the first day under Advance. I'm Jeremy.
30 seconds tomorrow. Call times are on board. So, same old boring politics.